I had to open that again, by the way, because I'm dumb. And I tried to, wow, even better. I'm gonna have to open it again. So that is part of the wiring. Cool, that works. That won't bother me as bad. So all of the wiring deteriorated, and using liquid tape, I got them covered, but some were bonded together, so they were shorting. Mainly my turn signal and the AFS. Everything else worked. So I got home right now and I fixed that. But we are hopefully doing this today. It's 5 o'clock. I should have enough time. But basically, I'm hoping to swap this thing out with my replacement garagistic one. Now this is just a direct replacement for the ball style. I don't know if it's going to work because I'm pretty sure the OEM shifters have a curve from the ball out, so it would push my shifter more forward. That is in neutral right now, so if it goes forward a little bit, it might be like here instead, and that won't bother me too bad, being that it'll be a shorter throw anyway. So let's get it out and see what's up. I know that the selector rod is insanely long, so I was going to use this dual shear from a 5-speed ZF E36. This is longer than like what the 335 is, but the 335 isn't as long stock. My stock one, when I get it out, you'll see how long it is. It's insane. Or if I get it out, I might not, because I'm just changing this top part. I don't need to remove the selector rod. I was actually able to access everything from the bottom. Surprisingly, dude. Like, this is a rarity. So, in here, you can see my selector rod. You can see just how long that thing is, dude. Like, it goes all the way in there. So, I'm thinking should be alright. So, all that I'm gonna do right now while I'm under here, I've already got the clip off, so I'm just gonna pop the arm out. So you can see I've got it pretty much almost out, so I'm just gonna pry that rest out really quick. And I say really quick, like, if that's even possible. Okay, I guess it was. Well, let's get it out. And for here, I believe I gotta remove this center console. And I hate BMW shift boots. I'm just gonna should have taken this off first. Alright, these are T20s, T15s, maybe. Pop both just in case. or if that was even needed. I don't think that was needed. Rubber boot. Alright, so these are the bitch clips. These clips you just gotta like twist them. Alright, so I got it out. I was spinning it left when I should have gone right. Anyways, this is what I was talking about. This has a little bit of a curve to go back. So I'm gonna try and measure this close to my stock one and see. I measure the logistic one close to the stock one to see if this can, if this is feasible or not. Should have had these on a long time ago. Listen to myself. My fucking hands, dude. Oh, great, this opened again. Okay. Taking the set screws out completely. And I'm trying to use these to be like what OEM would be. Jesus Christ, dude. Okay. Let's see how this goes in. Alright, so word of advice, if you are going to be using this, go ahead and make sure you install this before you put this on, because I'm trying to get this damn C clip off and it is the worst. I can just keep scratching the fuck out of this thing. I would ideally not like to. So before I put this back in, I'm gonna go see if this thing works, because there's no point in putting that clip for it not to even work. Yeah, so right around there is where it'll sit. That is exactly what I thought it was gonna be. Just right about. See, well, that's kind of sitting more flush. So, I'm gonna try and put this back together and go from there because it's pretty hard down there, and I don't have much room, and I'm gonna be in the way of the camera. So, be right back. We're done. That was a lot quicker than I thought, and I love it, dude. This is exactly what I've always wanted in a short shifter. Just like that, dude. I love when it sits low. I can even make it sit lower, which I might actually do. So, garage stick for just a quick, simple plug and play shifter. Yeah, this is it, dude. This is definitely it. If you guys are watching this far, as always, I appreciate you. And stay tuned for the next video. It's just probably Slow Sunday.